Hi there. Today let's take a look at our 2015 Jayco Eagle Premier 318 RETS travel trailer. This trailer's got a rear entertainment center floor plan with 3 slide outs. Come up to the front here, we can see that there's pass-through storage. Goes all the way through, gives you plenty of room for the stuff you want to keep outside. Down below that, we've got electric stabilizer jacks. On the front, we've got a compartment where there's 2 30-pound LP tanks in there. We've got a power tongue jack. Come around to the off-door side. So you've got 2 more slide outs over here. Up on the roof, we can see that we've got black Max Air vent covers. Got 1 air conditioner on board. Aluminum rims on the tires there. On the back side here, we've got our system center. We've got our drain for the tanks. We've got our city water connection, black water tank drain, refrigerator vent, furnace vent. Heading towards the back of the trailer, we'll see the power connection there for the shore power, cable TV, internet, satellite input, ladder to get up to the roof, outside shower, clean up those outside messes you don't want to get inside. Nice little grill on the outside there with LP tank connections. Rear stabilizer jacks are also powered. Got the awning extended so you can see what that looks like today. That is an electric awning. You can operate that from a push button, or there is a remote control inside, and we'll take a look at that in a little bit. We come up the side here. We'll see we've got the freshwater fill for potable water when you want to travel with water. The compartment for the water heater. Up above, we've got a pair of outside speakers and the vent over the stove. Then we've got outputs for TV and power there if you want to bring a TV out underneath the awning. We head up and inside. Right here we've got our system center, so we've got the monitor panel to check things, check the levels in the gray, fresh, and black tanks, check the battery condition. We've also got the ability to start our water heater and water pump right there. Switches for lights, slide out controls. Then over here we have that remote I was telling you about, so we can also run our slide outs from the remote. We can run the front and rear stabilizer jacks from the remote, and we can run the awning from the remote. As we come into the camper, we're going to be entering the kitchen area. So we've got a large 2-door refrigerator, gas electric, nor cold. A little further in, turn around here, we'll see the microwave, stove and oven in the kitchen area, sink, double sink with the nice solid surface countertops over the top of that. Next to everything, we've got pantry space. Across from the kitchen, we've got the thermostat for our furnace and air conditioner. And in the first slide out, we've got the table and chairs. We've got places for 4 people to sit. Behind that, got a sofa that will convert to a bed for additional sleeping space. And then here's the rear entertainment center. So we've got the stereo there, fireplace, and a nice sized TV above it. More storage space over here. And the back side of the outside shower there if it ever needs service. We've got a pair of rocker chairs on the other side. Nice place to seat. In the other slide out. More storage space here. Good sized drawers. As we come back forward in the camper, we've got a side aisle here. Got the bathroom, nice sized bathroom with access from the hallway as well as from the bedroom over there with a closet and a slide out over there. More storage behind the vanity, sink, and more storage space below. Nice size shower with a skylight above. hot and cold running water controls, and corner shower pan. As we head back towards the front, we can get a sliding door here to close off the bathroom from the bedroom when we want to. More storage space there. Drawers down below. Come up into the bedroom. Closet space there. The big drawer down below. More wardrobe space on either side of the bed. And we do have a queen size bed. And one more TV in the bedroom. So that is our 2015 Jayco Eagle 318 RETS. If you have any questions, give us a call, 507-345-5858. Check it out online at gogscamper.com. Thanks.